Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix the blocked by Robots.TXT error in WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now for this, you can go ahead and use the Google Search Console if your site is indexed there, and you can use their tools to find out which of your pages is blocked by Robots.TXT. If you already know, then you can fix it very easily, and all you need to do is just edit your Robots.TXT file. Now, what you need to do is you can either install a plugin which allows easier Robots.TXT management, such as Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO, and they have very good functionalities which allow you to edit that file. Now, if you just want to find the file and edit it yourself, you will need to download it from the site using an FTP protocol, or if you have a hosting on cPanel, you can use the cPanel or hPanel for hosting or file managers, and they will allow you to find and edit those files. Now, to find your file without any of those plugins, you just go into your site, enter your site URL, and after your URL, after .com, enter /robots.txt. And once you do, you'll see your robots.txt file. Now, as you can see, user agent is nothing, or just the asterisk, and pretty much if you see disallow and any page URL, that page is going to be blocked by robots.txt. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to delete any of those disallow lines, which are pretty much just going to disallow your site from being indexed, or those pages from being indexed on Google. And once you remove them and upload that file back on your site, you should be good to go. Or if you use a plugin, just edit it through the plugin and you should be fine either way. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.